Hey guys, my name is Myeisha. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be reviewing this black-owned hair company. So without further ado, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and don't forget to turn the post notifications on so every time I post, you guys are notified. Okay, so this hair comes with a really cute packaging. I'm going to show you guys right now. It also comes with a black wig cap. It comes with instructions on how to take care of the hair. I thought that was pretty cool. Okay guys, so this is the actual hair. It looks really pretty, first impression. It doesn't come with lace, it only comes with a net. And it has adjustable straps. It has, I believe, 3 combs in it. So let's take this bad boy out the box. Okay, so right now I'm just trying to put it on. Oh my, it's kind of looking a mess right now, but bear with me. It did just come fresh out the box and I didn't do no customization to it yet. But the curls are popping right now off the gate. So pretty much all I'm doing is gonna cut some bangs. That's all you really need to do. Or you really don't have to if you don't want to, but I feel like it'll look even more better if I just cut the bangs. So I ended up taking 2 sections and then just cutting at an angle. I actually don't think I cut it too bad, but I'm probably going to cut it a little bit more in the bang area. Just a pinch more, because do you see that little piece hanging on the right side? So just a little bit more. Okay, so now I'm about to just cut the bangs just a little bit more into it. And I wanted to make it look a little bit more fluffy. I should have used my pick because it would have been so much more useful. Okay, so I'm just going to apply some Lotto Body Mousse. Now, you don't have to do this, but I just wanted to see how the curls will react to it. I feel like it did help the curls pop back a little bit more. And it also made the hair like even more softer than it already is. Okay, so it's pretty long in the front and in the back. I did end up doing some more cutting, but it was still long, so you're gonna get your money's worth. Oh guys, shout out to Half Freaking Beauty. I was watching her video and I immediately decided to order this hair. Oh, and by the way, this hair mimics 4-type hair, so that's another reason why I was just trying to spread out the curls and make it a little bit more bigger. And again, I cut the bangs a little bit more because I just wanted to look like cute, but not be too long over my eyes because I need to see I do wear glasses. So I'm gonna take my hand and move my hair to the side. Not that side, I'll move it back to the right side because I didn't like the way that side looked. But I thought it was really cute like this. It gave me like big hair, early 90s vibe. I was feeling good. I'm like, okay, we're getting somewhere now. Okay, so this is the one. I'll be wearing this every day from now on. Okay, so I took some more mousse. Like, I want to make it more flat at the top, but then I'm gonna like fluff it out more even because some sides looking like more fluffed out than others. But you're gonna see in the next clip I'm showing you. If you guys made it this far in the video, comment nail gang so I know that you're like halfway through this video right now. Okay, this is the part I was talking about when I said I wanted to fluff it out more. So this is how it looked all fluffed out. I only used my hands. I didn't have to use a pick. Turned out really well. My extended review will be at the end of the video. And at that point, you'll know what hair company this is from. And all the details on his hair. Overall, like this hair, I think it's a good price. And it's good quality for a synthetic wig. It was $60, which for some people could be, you know, a little bit too much, but I think the curls hold up really well, and like I apply product and the curls bounce back, and it looks like a 4 type wig, and that's the kind of look I was going for because my natural hair is a 4 type wig. This hair is by City Republic. It is in the style Jade Curls. And the color is blonde ombre. It took like 3 days to get here, so the shipping was amazing. I'm not sure if this hair is sold out, but I believe it is right now. I would say the cap size is like medium to like average. What you really need to do is just cut it like some bangs or something to make it like shape, like fit your hair well, pretty much. This part I would say it's a pop on and go type of wig. I know a lot of people wear locks under this because it is a big, like it is big hair. Like you can wear braids, locks, or whatever you wear under your wigs. Pretty good for that if you're into that. Honestly, I would definitely order more from them. Like it was very good quality. It came super quick. And I just love it. Like look at this. It's all fluffy. And it doesn't feel like too thick, but this is a full wig. It's not like a half wig where you have to wear real hair out. Like my hair on the side, I got it showing a little bit, but it doesn't matter. I got the same type of hair underneath, so I really love it. It's so pretty. And all I really pretty much did was cut bangs, and then I twisted some of the curls because, you know, natural 4 type hair look more like, what do you say? More like, you know, not tamed. Like it's like, you know, big. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it in my video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and please don't forget to turn your post notifications on so every time I post, you guys are notified.